Hi there, Andrew here, co-founder at Pingum. Today I'm going to walk you through the tool using a maintenance organization example. As soon as we log into the dashboard, we can get a real-time view of how we're operating against all the work orders for my team. I can view my work orders in a number of ways, with a list view, a grid view, and a Kanban view to view it by its operating status. We also have an analytics view where you can get more of a deep dive of your work orders or your events in Pingum. Now I run my maintenance team, so it's my responsibility to create the events in Pingum and dispatch those to my team members. Right now we have water damage sitting in our headquarters. So I'm going to go in and create that event in Pingum, starting off with the new work order status, providing it a level 3 severity because we need to address this as soon as possible. I'm going to tag it with a plumbing tag because it is due to a broken pipe, and I'm going to assign it to our headquarters building. I can also assign additional custom fields so that whoever this work order is assigned to will have the information they need to complete the work. Fields like the exact location, the description of the work order, and a completion date will help anyone looking at the work order understand what they need to do and when to do it by. The statuses you put an event through and the tags and custom fields that you use to describe your events are completely customizable. You as an organization get to decide what you want to use and what's available for each event. After I submit the event, we can see it shows up directly on my dashboard. The next thing I want to do is go and dispatch this to a team member. So I can do that by clicking in and getting a detailed view of the event. You can see I just got a notification. That's because I'm subscribed to this event. More on that later. I want to attach a file to this work order so that whoever gets dispatched this event is going to be able to download and view the exact damage. I can provide it any name so it's easy for them to see and download when they're ready. Now I'm ready to dispatch. I'm going to edit the tags on this event to assign it to David. As soon as I save this, a dashboard that David is subscribed to will trigger the notification so that he's aware that he's being assigned this. Once he's been tagged, I can go into the history and I can now change the status to dispatched. From the same history view, I can see a list of all the comments, attachments, and status changes that have happened to the event. Now that I've completed the status change and we go back to the dashboard, you can see the event has been updated with all the information that I applied. Going back into the event, I can see that David was notified via email and in-app notifications. Earlier, I mentioned notification subscriptions. We have a page where we can see all of our dashboards and who's subscribed to those dashboards. You can click into each and see the users that are subscribed. And by clicking on a user, you get to see during what life cycle of the event they're going to get notified for. Pingum provides an easy solution to track your business events. Never lose sight of your operating status again.